Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. At least one local printer is asking the government for a tax break. The printer argues that the levy imposed on equipment at the port makes it difficult to grow. TVJ's Andrew Lately has that report.
A single printing machine can be valued at more than 1.5 million US dollars. Clearing that machine at the port will cost half of that price. Business Development Manager at the Herald Print, Rikina Williams, says the customs duty is too high.
If we spend over 20 million Jamaican dollars, we're looking at over 10 million Jamaican dollars just to get that cleared alone. So you can wait and see where the disparity is, and that is just for machines. We're not talking about actual stock. So your paper, paper is not made in Jamaica, so we have to import all of those, and so we will find that we have to pay a pretty penny just to get the basic things that we need to run a printery.
She argues that printers are making their contribution to economic growth and is calling for a tax break.
If the government could assist in giving us a break, I won't be too greedy to say 2 for the year, but to just take it into consideration that is an area that they could look into to allow manufacturing industries such as ourselves, or companies such as ourselves, to have that leeway to ensure that when our goods are coming in, or whenever our equipments are coming in, that we're not so heavily taxed. But I do believe and I hope that eventually conversations will be had, and not just conversations, but to put it into action. And hopefully, if we really want to have that Vision 2030 achieved, then I think that is an area that the government definitely needs to look in, and let us hope that they will do their part.
For the Business Day, I'm Andrew Lately.
West Texas intermediate crude oil prices settled lower today on worries the escalating U.S.-China trade war may hurt global crude demand. Crude futures for September delivery fell 13 cents to settle at $66.81 a barrel. And currency trading now. The US dollar gained a cent on the Jamaican dollar today as the local currency fights to stave off any further devaluation. At the end of trading, the US dollar sold for an average $136.18. The Canadian dollar closed at $104.96. The pound is going for $175.16, while the euro ended the day selling for $158.75 on average. The JC index gained 2,020 points today, while the junior index gained 39. Among the winners were Access Financial Services, Dermont Trading, Epley, Fosrich, General Accident Insurance, JMMB Group, Lasco Financial Services, Mayberry Investments, and NCB Financial Group. On the losing side were Barita Investments, Caribbean Cement Company, Elite Diagnostic, Jamaica Broilers, Kingston Wharves, Main Event Entertainment Group, Panjam Investment, and Siginos Credit Investments. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Good evening.